So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, guys. Today we are back with our second spring edition with Dandelion Wine. As always, like I tell you guys before, most of these that we're doing on 4-part series is gonna be classics, so I am going to keep it simple. We are going to start off with our ingredients. We'll be using 1 gallon of water, 2 pounds of white table sugar, 1 pound of raw cane sugar. We're using 2 large navel oranges. In this case for me, it's Cara oranges. Like I said, it's just something about the flavor.
Yeah, boy!
And we're using 4 small lemons. You can use 3 to 4, just depending on the size. And with our fruits, we're also going to be using all of the zest up in this to really pull out some more of that flavor. We're going to use 6 packs of Dandelion herbal tea. And guys, this is 100% just dandelion. If you have fresh dandelion, or you can go to your fields and pick dandelions or whatever, that's fine. You could use about, let's say, about 4 quarts worth of dandelions. Not actually 4 quarts, I mean 4 cups. I'm sorry, 1 quart altogether. But 4 cups of dandelion. And that's why I'm saying, for the simple fact for this, guys, I know a lot of people cannot get to any fields or might have to deal with pesticides. So for my version of dandelion wine, we're using the dandelion herbal tea. And like I said, it's 100% dandelion. It's nothing else thrown up in there. And we're going to use about 6 to 8 packs, but I'm using 6. You can use about 8, which would be fine. And pretty much that's the only difference, other than, like I said, we're going to be adding in our black tea for our tannin, and we're using the Lalvin BM 4x4 yeast for this. Now guys, like I said, it's a spring theme series. So a lot of our flavors will be delicate, but we also want to add a little bit more to our flavors to kind of accentuate the dandelion. So that's why you find a lot of recipes that use the citrus to complement the dandelion taste, and it works pretty well. A lot of citrus fruit works well when you pairing it with flowers and herbs, different things like that. I was gonna go ahead and use regular white sugar, but I'm adding the raw cane sugar once again, a little bit more complexity, and just doing my spin like I always do, y'all. But anyway, we're not gonna be too long. Like I said, I just wanted to go over the ingredients. I also wanted to let you know what we're going to be doing, since you don't see the actual flowers that we're using the tea instead. Also, like I said, guys, come to find out, dandelion also have a lot of nutritional value. You have vitamins, it has other things also, like helping with your immune system and different things like that, but I'm going to have that later on in the video to kind of give you some of the benefits of dandelion tea and what it can do to help you out. So this one, like I said, we're gonna keep short and sweet, nothing too long, nothing too fancy. So basically we're gonna get right into it. So I'll be right back with you.
it's good.
Good and terrible.